Kumusta mga chong, narito ang ating mga bagong PBA updates. The RJ Abarrientos era officially begins at Barangay Ginebra. The number 3 overall pick in the last draft was signed to a 3-year deal on Monday by the Gin Kings. Ginebra team governor and SMC sports director Alfrancis Chua confirmed the signing. The former Japan B-League and Korean Basketball League import also shared the news on his social media page with the emojis, padlock, and crossed fingers. Chua was on hand to welcome Abarrientos during the contract signing. Kasama ni Abarrientos ang kanyang representative na si Edgar Mangahas. Nakatakdang subukan ng Barangay Ginebra ang tapang ng isang champion team sa Taiwan sa P-League Plus na ang New Taipei Kings sa isang exhibition match na nakatakda sa Macau ngayong Miyerkules. Ang P-League ay bago pa lang ito na halos mga 4 na taon pa lang ang lega, na ang New Taipei Kings nga ang nag-champion sa huling season, nang sa kasalukuyan ay 4 na team pa lang ang naglalaban sa ligang ito. Kinumpirma ni Coach Tim Cone ang laban ng Gen Kings na magaganap sa tinaguriang Macau International Basketball Challenge sa Tapseek Multi-Sports Pavilion. Well, dito natin makikita mga chong ang laro ng bagong
Barangay.
Para sa mga bagong acquisition sina Stephen Holt, Isaac Go, mula nang makuha sa isang malaking off-season trade mula sa Terra Firma. At ang number 3 draft pick na si RJ Abarrientos, isang point guard na pamangkin ni PBA legend The Flying A, Johnny Abarrientos. At dito naman tayo sa Nlex Road Warriors. The Nlex organization welcomed Policarpio with a red carpet as no less than corporate president and general manager Jose Luigi Bautista graced the contract signing on Monday, along with team governor Ronald. Naroroon din sina Coach Jong Uichico, team manager Virgil Villavicencio at Policarpio's representative Anthony Brodet. Jhonnel Policarpio umaasa na mapuna ng kulang sa Road Warriors sa tangkad at bigat ng mga players. Kulang nga sa big man ang Road Warriors, mga chong. Ang rookie ay sumang-ayon sa isang 3 taong kasunduan sa Road Warriors noong Lunes o 2 linggo mula nang mapili ng prangkisa sa unang round, number 6 overall, ng PBA draft. Ang 6'5" Policarpio, who won a UAAP men's basketball title in his last playing year with De La Salle, was grateful for the trust shown him by Nlex management. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Nlex kasi kahit hindi ko ini-expect na kukunin nila ako kaagad. Tapos ngayon, 3 years pa ang binigay nila sa akin. Talagang susuklian ko yung tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. Uichico, also a De La Salle product, sees the big man from Pampanga as part of the team's future. He'll be an integral part of our team's future, sabi niya. It will take patience from both sides for Jhonnel to realize his full potential. Bilang coach, gusto namin na kami ang magtuturo sa kanya, hindi lang sa court, kundi pati na rin sa labas. Balita naman kay Rookie Tiongson at sa Elasto Painters. Rain or shine has come to terms with its top draft pick, Caelan Tiongson, on Sunday. Tiongson signed a 3-year contract with the franchise that selected him number 7 overall in last month's PBA rookie draft. Ang pagperma ng kontrata ay naganap sa Davao City, where Rain or Shine is currently playing in the 39th Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament, kung saan nag-champion din ang Rain or Shine laban sa De La Salle University. Ang De La Salle lang naman ang nagtalo sa Converge 120-112 at Phoenix Fuel Masters 104-102. Balik tayo sa naganap na contract signing. The Elasto Painters were in full force during the signing, which was attended by alternate governor Edison Oribiano, Coach Yeng Giao, and Deputy Caloy Garcia. At nagperma na rin ng kontrata si Felix Lemetti and Francis Escandor to contracts on Friday, the team announced. Lemetti picked number 8 in the draft with a 3-year deal, while Escandor, the first selection in the second round at number 13th pick overall, got a 1-year contract from the Elasto Painters. At shoutout naman dyan kay Sir Nestor Villaflores from Victoria, Laguna. Isang solid na kabarangay.